in between the toes. Put some oil on your foot gently, just like putting on a sock. All the way down to your heel. Massage it in circles. Big circles all the way around your wrists and heel. Put on your sock again. Use both hands so you can take the inner side and the outer side of it. Use the flat area so it's going to be soft. Just follow the foot. Light pressure. On the inside and on the outside. So you're going to do the entire foot. Put the sock on again. Lift up the heel a little bit. Use the flat part of it around the heel. Light pressure. On the outside and on the inside. And if you feel like this is a little bit complicated, then use one finger softly again. I'm going to start using that area. Soft, nice and gently. All the way around the heel. On the outside. Just underneath your toes. And on the inside. Then do circles with the flat area. All the way around the heel as well. Now it's time for the toes. So we're going to tap the toes. First we're going to oil them a little bit and we draw them towards us. So the opposite, taking off the sock right now. We start all the way from the heels. I'm going to take the toes, start with the little toe. Small circles on the top of the back. Next toe. I'm going to use the soft side of my thumb. I'm going to push it. While I push my thumb, I'm going to push my pointer finger as well. So it's going to be some more pressure on the toe, the entire toe. I'm going to take the next one as well. We're going to continue pointing with the soft side of the thumb underneath the toes. Small pressures, just like kittens walking all over your feet. All over the foot. The heels as well. Then we're going to take the sock on with a little bit more pressure now than we had in the beginning. Nice and slow to get deeper into the foot. And we're going to take the top of the foot. I'm going to take a pointer fingers, slowly take them between the toes, just towards the heel. And we breathe that way. Switch between the left and the right side, which makes this easier for you. Take the sock on again. And then we're going to do small circles around the wrist, just about the wrist. You can either do it with two hands like this, or you can do it with one hand, just like this. The thing is, we're going to do small circles on the inside and the outside, all the way towards the back, so all the way around. This is a good stimulating point. Nice, soft hands, gently big rings. You can do both hands at the same time. Like that. Have fun.